The Overberg region is less than 2 hours drive from Cape Town and renowned for stunning natural scenery and variety of activities for visitors. Here is a list of 10 things to do.
Number 1. Shark cage diving.
Shark cage diving is a thrilling and popular activity, drawing adventure enthusiasts from around the world. Gansbaai is particularly well known for its rich marine life, including a large population of great white sharks.
Number 2. Whale watching.
The coastal towns are famous for whale watching. Southern right whales visit the shores from June to November, providing an excellent opportunity to witness these majestic creatures.
Number 3. Beaches.
The region is known for its beautiful sandy shores. It's a popular spot for water activities like swimming, fishing, surfing, kayaking, and snorkeling. Number 4. Restaurants. The region offers a variety of restaurants, showcasing the local flavors, fresh produce, and diverse influences. Number 5. Horse riding on the beach. Horse riding on the beach is a memorable experience, offering a unique way to connect with nature while enjoying the scenic beauty of coastal landscapes.
Number 6. Swim with crocodiles.
Closer to a crocodile you will not get. Experience this unique adventure by swimming in the crocodile enclosure.
Number 7. Penguin Sanctuary.
Visiting penguin sanctuaries can be a delightful and educational experience. Penguins are charismatic and adorable birds, and sanctuaries play a crucial role in conservation efforts.
Number 8. Wine farms.
Agriculture plays a significant role in the region's economy. The fertile soil supports farming activities, including wheat cultivation, fruit orchards, and vineyards. The area is also well known for its wine production. Number 9. Beer tasting.
Beer tasting allows individuals to explore and appreciate the diverse flavors, aromas, and styles of different beers. Whether you're a seasoned beer enthusiast or a casual drinker, participating in a beer tasting can be a fun and educational way to discover new brews. Number 10. Hiking and cycling trails. The diverse terrain makes the Overberg ideal for hiking, mountain biking, trail running, and bird watching. The nature reserves are part of the Cape Floral Kingdom UNESCO World Heritage Site and offers a wide range of fauna and flora.
Hope you enjoyed watching our video. Please subscribe for more. Happy travels!